Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what you already have. Open PowerShell and run Python version, then wear Python to capture the installed path. Once done, decide whether you need 32-bit or 64-bit installer and download that exact installer file. Make sure to save the installer where you can find it quickly. This avoids confusion when multiple versions exist. Also, keep a note of any virtual environments you'll update later, so you don't break projects by replacing System Python. You should run the installer as administrator to avoid permissions issues. Select Add Python to path to make commands global. Once the installer opens, choose Upgrade Now for a straightforward update or Customize to pick features. Enable pip, tcl/tk, and install for all users when appropriate. Make sure install location is clear. You can overwrite the existing folder or install side by side into a new folder if you need multiple versions. After clicking Install, monitor progress and allow any system prompts. You finish by verifying the update. Run Python version and wear Python to confirm the active executable. Once confirmed, recreate or update virtual environments as needed. Use Python mvenv and pip install R requirements. txd to restore packages. If you encounter a path mismatch or unintended old version showing, open environment variables, fix the path order so the new Python comes first, then restart your terminal. A key troubleshooting tip. If scripts still use old Python, check shebangs or shortcut targets and update them accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.